Ta-da! What's up, everybody? You ready for another van build video? We're gonna install these Scopema swivel seats into this passenger van. So this right here is a 2021 Ford Transit passenger van. It got the 10-way powered seats, and we're gonna install the swivel seat in there. Let's do it. So I got a ratchet and a 10mm socket. I'm gonna take off these 4 bolts. Bolt number 1. Bolt number 2. I'm gonna move the seat forward so I can get to the rear 2 bolts. So there's number 3 and there's number 4. I just removed the 4 bolts. All right, so right now I'm pushing the seat back so I can disconnect the power to the seat. Now it's time to remove this bolt. This is a 7mm bolt. It's probably better to get like a 7mm screwdriver. All right, so I'm about to move the seat back, and if you see any smoke, it's not a fire. I got this coil going on. There are so many mosquitoes right now. So that's what we're dealing with. Let's open up the Scopema seat. I'll leave a link in the description below. That's heavy. CBTO19D2C passenger Ford Transit. In here, this is the hardware. Dude, that's not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit because this. We need some spacers. Ran into a roadblock. So I can't put the swivel seat down there because this comes up. Don't you guys hate it when you start a project and then you're halfway through the project and you don't have the right so you gotta go to the store? Well, that's what's going on right now. What's up, everybody? It's been a couple days since I've seen you, and since then I got some parts. I got these hex screws, 10-pack M8 x 45mm, and I also got this pack of M8 by 45mm flathead screws. Let's get these swivel seats installed. Let's remove the seat. I already did that before, so I'm not going to show you guys that again. So here is the seat off. If you look at this van, it's a 2021 passenger van, and this model right here has a heater underneath the passenger seat, so the seat is not flush. The actual heater pops out a little bit, and you can't even put the screws all the way down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift this seat up and put a couple spacers under here. I got a box of 100 from Amazon. All right, I'm gonna stack 6 of them. That's about 3/4 inch. And like I said, these are M8 screws with the flat heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got all my spacers. Lube up these holes. So next I'm gonna feed the electrical cable through the swivel. Easy. Now let's put this in place. Alright, go ahead and get all these started. Make sure you don't cross thread these. That one went in pretty good. Got the seat in place. About to install these M8 bolts. These are M8 by 45mm. And I also got the nut. So you're gonna have to swivel your seat a little bit to get in there. I'm gonna go for 8 spacers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some more spacers. We got the seat back on, and now I'm gonna tighten up these bolts. I got the 2 rear bolts tightened down. Now I'm gonna connect the power and move the seat backwards. Last bolt. We're all bolted down. Snaps right in place. All right, swivel seats are installed. Moment of truth. Let's see if it swivels. First thing you gotta do, you gotta raise the seat all the way up and move it all the way forward. You have to do this so it clears the base. On some of the other videos I watched on YouTube about these swivel seats, people were cutting the bottom of the seat right here I didn't do that. I just wanted to leave it. Also in videos, people had to cut off this attachment point. I didn't have to do that. So, like I said, raise the seat up, push all the way forward, hit this lever, and there you go, swivel seat. Ah, it is so nice. Swivel seats installed in the Ford Transit 2001 passenger van. I didn't have to cut the seat. I didn't have to remove the anchor point. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Consider subscribing. I do van build videos. I travel the US with my family in this van. We go to national parks and state parks. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.